There are two main elements to the Privilege Guard architecture. The central management console, which is an extension snap-in to the group policy editor, thus allowing organizations to utilize standard Microsoft tools to manage Privilege Guard. Privilege Guard associates its policies to an Active Directory group policy object. AD is then used as a distribution mechanism to deploy these policies to all of the users or computers under the management scope of the GPO. For those not using Active Directory, Privilege Guard also supports eDirectory and ZenWorks, as well as standalone XML configurations. The second part of the architecture is the client-side agent, which needs to be installed on all the systems you want to manage with Privilege Guard. This agent is a 2 meg MSI file that can be deployed using automated software deployment technologies such as SCCM or directly from Active Directory. Once installed, this agent operates as a system-level service and utilizes approximately 3 meg of RAM. We have installed the Privilege Guard console on this server and are going to show you how Privilege Guard snaps into the group policy editor. We are going to edit a GPO we created earlier. As you can see, Privilege Guard adds in 2 additional nodes, one under the user configuration and one under the computer configuration of this group policy object. The same methodologies, policy precedents, and inheritance rules apply to Privilege Guard as they do the Active Directory GPOs. Therefore, if you want a policy to be applied to a computer regardless of who logs on, you would create a computer-based policy. If you want the policy to follow the user regardless of which machine they log on to, you would create a user-based policy. Privilege Guard allows organizations to adopt the principle of least privilege by enabling users to run with standard user rights and dynamically assigns admin rights to applications, tasks, and scripts. This is achieved via a policy-driven approach where Privilege Guard policies can be integrated with Active Directory group policy. Taking advantage of an organization's existing infrastructure allows for a rapid deployment of these policies without the need for any dedicated infrastructure. Join us for a closer look at avecto.com.